I was very delighted when I was invited for this meeting. This is my first meeting at a location with tourism stakeholders. And we recognize the importance of tourism to our GDP and to our economy. And we all are trying our level best to assist the private sector in whichever way we can. I have taken up the role of the Minister for Tourism 3 months ago, and within these 3 months I have realized the amount of work that is required in other sectors that will then assist the tourism industry to perform better. The surrounding support system needs to be there for the tourism sector to perform the way it should be. So I look forward to the sharing of ideas, your proposals, whatever you may have. And I can say one thing, that our Fijian Tourism 2021 plan is already done. As you know, your contribution has been there. That plan captures most of the uniqueness of different areas, and we will be tabling that plan to the Cabinet next week. So once the Cabinet endorsement is there, then obviously the various aspects identified within the plan will be rolled out. I mean, in some areas, obviously there is a budget requirement, and the time is right in a way that Ministry of Economy is inviting budget submissions, and probably this is the right time to do so.